Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something special right over here. I got a Shirogorov F3 Terrus in the flesh on the table. I'm just gonna check it out and share my impressions with you. It's gonna be a little bit shorter because, this is pretty much almost F3 and S, but with a little bit different features because first of all, it comes with this pretty unique bead. Of course, you get your microfiber cloth and you get something pretty cool as of a set of scales for starter. You get some rare earth technocarbo, which is just stunning. Look at that shimmering color popping through the scales. That is pretty good. Something else you get more than an F3 and S, I would say production, is these pivot collars on both sides, of course. Pretty nice. Anodized titanium matching the pocket clip and the spacer in a nicely bronze anodization color. That's pretty stunning. Another thing you get is S90V, which is an upgraded steel compared to the M390 that you usually get on the production F3 and S. So this is a special edition. There's 100 of these made, and it's the second iteration of the Element series that is affecting the F3. The first one was the Aquatic with Vanax 37 steel and blue handle, and this is the Terrus, so the Earth Element. That's why you see these colors, these earthy tones, and there's going to be an air and a fire one. So amazing lineup. If you want to do like the set of 4 elements, it's gonna be a pretty cool addition to your collection, and the fact that they come with the dedicated lanyard bead is just a plus. So that was just a quick overview of this special edition from Shirogorov. This is the F3 Terrus. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.